Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be installing a small parts bin kit on our Holman shelf. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 40341. It's a small parts bin kit, if you will. It's got 6 bins like this with dividers in it, and a little steel shelving attachment unit that gets installed on some adjustable shelving. This works on pretty much every Holman shelf out there. We happen to have a 32-inch wide by 43-inch high installed over in the back of our Ram ProMaster City, but this is going to work pretty much for any shelf out there. This is a pretty narrow unit, so you're not going to be worried about available width and things like that, but you are going to have to mount kind of the standard distance between shelves in order to get this to fit. Installation is super simple. In fact, there's just 2 pieces of hardware, 2 screws and 2 nuts to attach this to the shelf. So really simple. The first thing that I'm going to do is just remove these yellow bins. Okay, as with any accessory, you're going to want to do some planning on where you're going to put things, how you want things to work. And so the first thing is just figure out where you want to mount this on the shelf. For us, we're going to be putting this on the left, and then we have a 3-drawer unit we're going to be putting here on the right, and so we're just going to line it up right here. There's holes on the bottom that you're going to use for aligning to pre-drilled holes on the shelf itself. So I'm just going to slide this on here, see what we look like in terms of alignment with holes. It looks like I've got some elongated holes on the back, and then circular holes towards the inside of the van. And so I'm just going to get my hardware out here. And pretty simple. You got 2 little button head screws. Put these through here. Then we have little nuts down here, and I'm just going to thread these on. Now, as I have a very specific location for this unit, luckily there's holes kind of already in these places, but if you're putting it kind of in an irregular position, or you're really customizing this space, you do have the option to drill a hole through this shelf to mount this. So don't feel like you're kind of tied to all the locations that exist that are pre-drilled in both the shelf and in this unit here. However you want, as long as it is secured to the van. So to tighten these screws, I just have a metric number 3 Allen key and a 5/16 inch socket for the nut. Good and tight. All right, so we got the unit nice and tight here. All that's left is just sliding in our parts bins, and fits like a glove. This little holder has a nice little lip here on the edge to keep these from popping up. Uses gravity to its benefit. And there you have it, a pretty simple install of this small parts bin shelving unit on our adjustable shelf from Holman. If you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.